Good PM, ngayon po ay September 29, 2025 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, September 29, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong September 29, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, September 29, 2025. Here are the Tunes jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, September 29, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, September 29, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.